Here in number 21, which of the following applies to gel electrophoresis? It can be used to separate RNA fragments. Fragments are separated by size. And fragments move in an electric field. All of these are true of gel electrophoresis, so therefore the answer would be B. Which of the following adds carbon dioxide to the air? Fossilization removes carbon dioxide from the air and locks away carbon. Combustion releases carbon dioxide, and glycolysis does not involve any release of carbon dioxide. So therefore the answer would be B, 2 only. Identify the part of the curve that shows exponential growth. Exponential growth is present here during this rapid rise in population over a very short period of time. This is the period of the growth curve when resources are not a limiting factor, space is not a limiting factor, and the population is allowed to increase exponentially. If mortality or the death rate and the birth rate, natality, are equal, and there is a small amount of incoming population or immigration, which of the following is definitely correct? The population will definitely increase, and this is the only true statement, so therefore the answer is A, 2 only. 2 organisms are clearly visible in the image below. Which of the following places each organism in its correct phylum? Organism 1, a snail, belongs to the mollusk phylum. As you can see, it does have a shell. And organism 2 are mosses, which have no true roots or leaves. They belong to the phylum Bryophyta. So therefore the answer would be D, mollusca for 1, and for 2, Bryophyta. The illustration below shows the human heart. Which of the following is a function of X? The coronary artery. It supplies oxygen, it supplies nutrients, but it does not have any role to play in blood pressure control, so therefore the answer is A. The diagram below shows the human digestive system. Which of the following labels is wrong? Label B is the liver, so that's correct. Label C, the esophagus, also correct. Label A, the stomach, also correct. But label D is the pancreas, not the gallbladder. This is the gallbladder. So therefore the answer is D, gallbladder. Which of the following shows the sequence of events as an oxygen molecule moves from the air to the mitochondria of muscle cells, and the diaphragm contracts and moves from its dome shape to a flattened shape, and the pressure inside of the lungs falls. This is described as ventilation. Ventilation is then followed by exchange of gases by diffusion from the alveolar space into the bloodstream. And this immediately takes us to the answer of B. And finally, the third stage is when oxygen is transported in the blood and arrives at mitochondria and allows cellular respiration to happen. 28, B. In the diagram below, select the label that points to the target site of follicle-stimulating hormone. It stimulates the development of the follicle, and its target site is the ovary. Which of the following is true of IVF, in vitro fertilization, the coming together of male and female gametes in glass in the lab? So therefore 1 is correct. The offspring of IVF is not necessarily a clone of anything. Sperm is not artificially inseminated into the female reproductive system. Instead, both egg and sperm combine in glass in the lab. So therefore the answer is A, 1 only.